Good afternoon. I am out here in beautiful Litchfield Park, getting ready to do a tour of this gorgeous home. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home built in 2023. There's about 1953 on the square footage on this bad boy, and it's a single-story home. It sits at the end of the street, kind of has that cul-de-sac feel. It is a Sunday afternoon, just for noise factor, and it's about between 3 and 4 p.m. Outside does have gutters in the entry, and this is as close as you are to the neighbors right here. It has really pretty curb appeal. Exterior is in great shape. I actually walked the whole house already and it looks pretty good. Carpets are in great condition. Floors in great condition. It's clean. There's no funky smells. That's your neighbor's gate right there. And this would be your gate to your side area. The color of the house is a gray. Kind of like a nice dark medium gray, so it's not too dark, not too light, definitely a medium tone. You have flat roof shutters up there, shingles, not curved. The driveway is pretty good size. You could fit 2 pretty good sized cars right here. I do see street parking in this neighborhood. I don't know if that's only during the day or also at nighttime. So we're gonna head on in. Taxes on this bad boy are $32.31 a year, and HOA's about $68 a month. Just has community parks in this one. I passed one about 1 minute down the road. And we're entering here. So it has a pretty good size foyer. And right here is the garage door. And the garage is nice and deep. No epoxy on the floors, so that'd be one thing that would be great. Right there you have a soft water setup, so you just have to add the system. And I'll walk on through here. So it's pretty good size. I'm not sure what this is. I would definitely have to get disclosures if you're not sure of what that could be. If you have questions, you know, leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are if you know what that is. Also, while we're talking about this, if you'd like to like, subscribe to my channel, I'm constantly posting amazing homes. We'd love to get your feedback. Let me know what you think on pricing. Again, it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in Litchfield Park. Right here, we have a full bedroom. All the bedrooms do have ceiling fans. The walls are all painted neutral. I did go through all the rooms. The paint's in great shape. They do have blinds throughout. This one does feature the much taller doorways, so the ceilings are pretty good height. And it has a pretty standard closet right here, I would say. Come on this way. And we have a bathroom with a tub and shower enclosure right there. And this one has a single sink. Cabinets look like they're in great shape. I mean, the home is super clean. Everything's pretty good. Looks like minimal wear from what I can tell. This should be a coat closet right here, so some more storage. And that's where we came in. So now we're back in the foyer area. I'm gonna head into the kitchen / family room. We're gonna enter. Here's the pantry. So you do have a pretty good pantry space. Lots of shelving in there. And the kitchen's a pretty good size. It all has stainless steel appliances, all Frigidaire. No backsplash on this one, but easy if you want to put it in. The countertops look to be quartz. They are not so slow close. So if you wanted slow close, that would have to be added in. This property does have gas. You have a gas stove. Microwave. Again, everything is in pretty good shape. The grout tile is still gray, so it's not dingy, which is nice. Again, this home is from 2023, and we are in Landings for Community. It's a Lennar home at 1953 on the square footage. The high school that you could attend would be Verado High School. There's also Scott Libby Elementary School. And we are in Litchfield Park. We're super close to the base. So Luke Air Force Base is about 10-15 minutes out. Depending on traffic, I mean, it could hit 15 to 20. You have this large, tall slider glass door right here to the backyard. So beautiful views. This is a pretty large space. So right here, you could do your family room. You do have a media center right there. There is surround sound wiring, it looks like. So if you wanted to put speakers in, it's already pre-plumbed for you, which is pretty sweet. Right here in front of this window, I've seen this where they put a dining room table. So you have a dining area, a hutch over there, or a buffet. The space is pretty big. You can kind of see how wide it is right here. So you have a lot of living space. I would say this countertop / island, you'd probably be able to fit 4, maybe 5 chairs, depending on what size they are. And again, great countertop space right here. And it's open right up to this front room. So this is a split floor plan with 1 bedroom. The primary is down this way. And then over here are the other secondary bedrooms. So you have that 1 bedroom full bath up front with garage, pantry. Right here will be your laundry. And it appears only to have an electric outlet. We have 1 secondary bedroom right here. So it's about an average size. I mean, I would say maybe 8 by 10, 12 by 10. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to see if I can pull the floor plan for you. If you'd like a copy of that floor plan, please let me know. So the carpet's in great shape. It's kind of a tannish color. The walls are kind of a light gray. Trim is white. And it blends with this tile, which kind of has a grayish, beigeish feel to it. So everything flows really nicely. You have another linen closet right here. So lots of storage. You have another secondary bedroom here. And this one's, I would say, similar in size to that last one. Maybe a little bigger. But again, I'm going to try to see if I can get measurements and floor plans for you. All the secondary bedroom closets should be about the same size. And again, everything is in great condition. This one would be something that you could close on, get the keys, send a cleaner in, and either move on in or rent it out. So this one you have double sinks. And you have a tub shower combo right here. Your throne is right here. So that connects to those two. And then you have one more secondary bedroom right here. Again, they're pretty much all the same size. I mean, they feel pretty much the same size, and condition-wise, they're all in good condition. Some very minor spots on some of the trim. I've seen this down here, but not really seeing a lot of problems with the paint in this one, which is great. And you have another linen closet here. So again, storage, lots of storage. It's pretty spacious. And now we're going to enter the primary. So it has double doors, which is super cool. Same carpet, so all the flooring is the same throughout. All the windows have blinds already. And again, everything's in good condition. Not seeing a lot of dirt. It looks like they had it freshly cleaned. All the bedrooms have these ceiling fans. This one has a throne room. So it's pretty good size. So you have a lot of room to sit, which is great. Some of these rooms can be a little tight. You do have a walk-in closet in this primary. And again, pretty good size. The small details like staining the bars to hang your clothes makes it look a little nicer actually. And then you have double sinks here. And a stand-up shower. So this one does have a bench. I mean, the shower's in great condition. Not seeing a lot of issues with this one. Home inspection is probably going to be pretty clean unless there's things that aren't visible to the eye. And again, this is that primary bedroom. So it's a pretty good size room. They do have it over here where it looks like you could run some wires through there to set up for a TV. And you would come out this way to this family room. And the backyard's already done and it's huge. So you got all these pavers and that turf right there. So it's a wonderful size backyard. You do have a gas line that runs right here. Try to show you how big this one is. So the lot on this one is $12,625. I'm also going to be quiet so you can hear the noise. I'm going to walk over here and get you full view of the yard. It's absolutely beautiful out today. And this is kind of a weird pie-shaped type lot too, just an FYI. This is behind your fence line. Have that two-story over there, but again the lots are kind of angled where it doesn't feel like it's intrusive, I guess you would say. They do appear to have what looks like is a start of a watering system for plants along the perimeter. So the backyard is done, which we all know that can definitely incur a large cost. And this has an amazing premium lot. I mean, you don't see them this big usually, so it's pretty nice to have. They pave this side area so that when you want to bring out your garbage cans or you want to use any kind of wheelie type thing, you can come on that path. You have mountain views that way, which is wonderful. And this is over here. This is the side of the house. Which, as you can see, there's very little windows on this side. Just these two up here, which align more with the side neighbor's yard. So lots of privacy still. This is one of the newer homes where they put the tankless gas hot water heater outside the home. So that's right there. Saves you a lot of room. That's the front. This is the back. So again, their back of the house is angled towards your back of the house, and this house is angled to theirs. So it keeps it pretty private, it looks like. Again, this house is just under $460,000 in Litchfield Park. Just has a wonderful lot. They did a great job with the landscaping. It gives you some color. If you are set up on this patio, this is kind of how that two-story feels. Just so you know. You don't see it from the back patio doors. You would have to go out here to see it. There is traffic on that main road over there. I'm trying to be quiet so that you can hear it. All right, well, if you have any questions on this one, please let me know. I can get you over disclosures, answer any questions that I can gather. And again, this is under $460,000. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 1953 on the square footage, built in 2023. Hope you have a wonderful day.